now we are going to apply, this is what our beautiful, I'm going to show you guys. It used to be called the Promoter Collagen Gel. It's now called the Promoter Volumizing Gel. Look at that amazing purple color. It's all natural, comes from the Azulene, which is from chamomile, and super, super amazing. We made it so that it can extend the full 5 minutes. So you can go on one side of the face with the Time Master Pro without adding additional conductor gel. So I'm going to go ahead and look how thick this is. Super, super thick. So we're going to go ahead and apply to just the half side of the face to start. Our Time Master Pro, 2 buttons. Top button, we're going to start, push it in to start. And we have red LED, green and blue. You can also just work with one particular color, or you can go with no LED if you'd like. And then on level 1, we have no EMS, so it's just ultrasound. On the bottom level, that's going to actually start everything. But what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to do 1 level of EMS, because that's what's going to really trigger the lifting of the face. So the face is the only place on the body where we actually have muscle attached to the skin, or skin attached to muscle. So when you do stimulate the muscle, it will create a lifting effect if you are working with electromuscle stimulation or microcurrent. So I'm now going to push the lower button to start, and we're going to start with some circular motion. And if the client can tolerate it, you can definitely go up a level. The neck, the cheeks, the chin area tend not to be as sensitive. The forehead area definitely tends to be a little bit more sensitive. Or if you're going over the mouth, if the mouth has any implants or a lot of fillings, it might feel a little bit more sensitive with the electromuscle stimulation and the ultrasound, and then you can just back it down a level if you need to. How does that feel for you?
Good.
Good, okay. Do you want me to try to go up 1 level?
You can.
Okay, we're gonna try to go up a level. Most clients can tolerate that first or second level of the EMS. I would say that unless they have really, really tough skin or they've been working with the Time Master Pro for a while, you probably won't get to level 4 the first time. Okay, so I do start to do just some little swirly actions to kind of activate the LED here, and just to stimulate the metabolism and the blood flow. And then after I've done about a minute or so, I work my way back down and I start the sculpting, which really creates that beautiful lift. Okay, so now I'm gonna work and I'm gonna start my sculpting process. So the sculpt and lift, sculpt and lift. This will create a really nice lift for the client. We're gonna also really sculpt a lot under the cheekbone as well. You can work over the lip area too. Just remember that the lips are going to be a little bit more sensitive, and especially if a client has some dental implants or fillers there, or fillings. So you're going to definitely go a little bit lower level EMS there. I'm going to just add a little bit of that collagen gel over her lips. I'm going to back it down a level, and I'm going to just do a little swirling on the lips so you can stimulate some really nice collagen and plumping. And so then you would just do your little swirling effect on the lips here. And as you're watching me here, if you see the little purple little tint on the skin, again, that is the Azulene, and that is natural color. So that's why you're seeing a little bit of a purpleness to the skin. It's not her skin, it's the Azulene from the volumizing gel. At the 5-minute mark, the Time Master Pro will turn off automatically, and then you will add the volumizing gel to the other side of the face, and then you will start the process all over again. So it's a full 10 minutes on the face. So at the top of the forehead, we also want to give a really nice brow lift. So you're definitely going to start at the eyebrow and you're going to work your way up, and you're going to do several of these little micro strokes. And the client will get a really great brow lift here. So at the end of our Time Master Pro treatment, you can see that most of this is absorbed really well into the skin. So you're just going to gently massage.